Hello everybody, it's Lynn. I wanted to come back on and show you the angel wings that I received from Beebeecrafts as part of their collaboration team. Someone had left a comment and said, could I bring them closer? So what I've done is I've mounted them onto some black card so that you can see exactly the sizes that they are. And there is 18 of them, and I will hold them up. Now whether it's going to focus for you now, I don't know, but there they are. There's the 18 angel wings, and I've mounted them on this card as I think I would use them. Now it's personal preference, you use them however you want. They're very good quality. They're very heavy. They've got a good shine to them. They've been made properly. There's no sharp edges. They're absolutely amazing to work with. And also their tool that I've been using. It's a multi-tool, this. Now these are mine. Mine just work like that, and as you can see the difference in size for a start. You can see the nose is longer by ½ inch at least. It's very hard to do this because one's a spring and one's a so they are very good. And those rings as well, the rings that I've been using in this other kit, that was the angel kit, this one, that's where I've shown you the board with all the angels on. That's what was in there, that's those. And in this one I've used the Lobster Clasps and the jump rings. Now, yeah, good quality. I'll show you what I've made. This is my first video, is this for Beebeecrafts. Those, that multi-tool comes with that, plus a pair of tweezers. But I made these the other day. These are my beads and fabric that I've used. What I have here, and the wire's my own. The thing that I have used from Beebeecrafts are the jump rings, which that is one of them, and they're very good quality. They're very strong as well. They take some opening, they're not flimsy. And then I've used their Lobster Clasp on the end, and they're very, very shiny, very slippy. They're slippery to hold on to, which there's no sharp edges on those either. So that was the first one that I did with the Lobster Clasp and the jump ring. Now the second one that I've done, this is the Lobster Clasp and the jump ring. The beads and the fabric are my own, and the charms, and then I've added jump ring to, and the wire's my own, the wire that I've used to make these. But the tool is brilliant, it's very good. And then this is the third one that I used, and I've used the big pair of wings that are hammered. I've put a hammered piece of my own on the end of it to finish it off, but the jump ring is from Beebeecrafts, as well as this one at the top and the jump ring. So you could say I've been a busy little bee, because I didn't get any beads or anything like that from Beebeecrafts. It was just those two kits that I got and the stamp, and I'll come back on later with the initial stamp. That'll be my second video that I show you that I've actually that I'm going to do for them. So the lobster clasps and the jump rings are my first video. Good quality, used the tool, brilliant tool, and these are the angel wings. So I'd like to say thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video for BB Crafts. Thanks, bye.